Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you where to find the website general settings in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're inside the website editor, just click on this little three dots, then click on General Settings. From this new window, you can update or add a favicon to your website. You can edit your link preview image. Also, you can play with the text of your cookie banner and enable or disable the three W's in your website domain name. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.